हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू योर फेवरेट यूट्यूब चैनल आर्टिस्ट बाय पैशन। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम अपना नेक्स्ट लेक्चर द प्रोग्रेसिव आर्टिस्ट ग्रुप डिस्कस करेंगे। इसमें आज हम फ्रेंड्स डिस्कस करेंगे द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द प्रोग्रेसिव आर्टिस्ट ग्रुप, हु इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ प्रोग्रेसिव आर्टिस्ट ग्रुप, व्हाट इज़ ए प्रोग्रेसिव आर्टिस्ट ग्रुप, प्रोग्रेसिव आर्टिस्ट ग्रुप आर्टिस्ट कौन कौन से हैं, when progressive artist group has got its end. So friends, now we will start our next lecture. Let's start. The progressive artist group. The progressive artist group was formed by 6 members: F. N. Souza, S. H. Raza, M. F. Hussain, K. H. Era, H. A. Gade, S. K. Bakri. So these were the 6 members of progressive artist group. फ्रेंड्स, प्रोग्रेसिव आर्टिस्ट ग्रुप को शॉर्ट फॉर्म में पैग भी बोल देते हैं। द प्रोग्रेसिव आर्टिस्ट ग्रुप पैग was a group of modern artists mainly based in Bombay from its formation in 1947. Though it lacked any particular style, there might be said to have been a move there might be said to have been a move towards a synthesis of influences from Indian towards a synthesis of influence Indian art history together with styles prevalent in Europe and North America during the first half of the 20th century, including post-impressionism, cubism, and expressionism. The progressive artist group was formed by 6 founder members: F. N. Souza, S. H. Raza, M. F. Hussain, K. H. Raza, H. A. Gade, S. K. Bakre, the only sculptor in the group. एग्जाम्स में फ्रेंड्स पूछ लेते हैं जैसे कि इनमें से कौन से आर्टिस्ट थे जो पैग ग्रुप में स्कल्प्टर का काम करते थे, तो आंसर इज एस के बाकरी. अदर एसोसिएटेड विद द ग्रुप इंक्लूडेड मनीषी दे, राम कुमार, अकबर पदमसी एंड तायब मेहता. The group wished to break with the revivalist nationalism established by the Bengal School of Art to encourage an Indian avant-garde engaged at an international level. The group was formed just a month after the 14th August partition of India and Pakistan that resulted in religious rioting and death of tens of thousands of people displaced by the new borders. The founders of the progressive artist group often cite the partition as impetus for their desire for new standard in India, starting with their new style of art. Their intention was to paint with absolute freedom for content and technique, almost freedom for content and technique, almost anarchic, save that we are governed by one or two sound elemental and internal laws of aesthetic order plastic coordination and color composition. Okay. In 1950, Vasudev S. Gaitonde, Krishna Khanna and Mohan Samant joined the group. Banu Athaiya, the only woman artist in the progressive artist group, Krishna Khanna and Mohan Samant joined the group later. इन्होंने laterly इस group को join किया था. So now we will discuss our next page. This was followed by the departure of two main founders. Two main founder members were Souza and Raza from India. Few years later, S.K. Bakre also left the group, which ultimately disbanded in 1955. European modernism was the most distinctive influence on the group, but its members worked in dramatically different styles, from the expressionism of Souza to the pure abstraction of Gaitonde. Specific Indian imagery and landscapes were also adopted, particularly by Mehta and Hussain, through the incorporation and mixture of new abstract styles with traditional Indian art elements and media. The PAG is one of the most influential art movements in India until today. In 2015, F.N. Souza's painting Bird set a new record for Indian art with a hammer price above US $4 million, which shows the worldwide appeal of the group. Now we will discuss when progressive artist group has got its end. By 1951, three of the key members of PAG moved abroad. इनमें से जो 3 मेंबर थे वो abroad चले गए. Souza and Bakre departed for London, whereas Raza moved to Paris. Hussain too began shuttling between Mumbai and Delhi. As a result, the group no longer functioned together and the focus shifted to their individual work. After periodic exhibitions, the group dismembered sometime around 1956. One of the members, Gade, even went on to create a group of artists in the late 1950s. The work produced by members of the PAG still reverberate in today's world.